Welcome everyone, welcome my dear community. We start our live session where we will trade crypto. I will share with you my crypto strategy based on open interest. I will show to you how you can predict significant movements before it actually happens, and also will show to you how you can take a local scalping trades. That's why this live session will be really interesting. Additionally, if there would be really good and interesting ideas, we will take them live today. That's why this stream must be super useful for you and interesting for you. That's why at this moment, as always, from 1 to 10, rate audio quality. 10 means everything is good, excellent. You hear me well, you see me well. 1 means audio quality is awful. 10. Hello from Kiev. 10, 10. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hello. And let me tell to my team that we started. We had started. And let me share again to our Discord members that we also had started. Before, my friends, what would be our plan? Before we start, a few words about our plan for today. First part, we will do 2 major parts. First part, we will analyze a market. I will show to you what I would like to trade today. If that would be a good trading idea, we will take a trade immediately. I will show to you how to take trades, set stop loss, calculate position size. And additionally, I'll share with you beautiful trades that I took based on open interest. And I will share with you 2 strategies. I think it is maybe the most powerful strategies on the crypto market. I promise to you that if you will use them, you will be immediately profitable. That's why. Write into a chat that you are ready. Write plus that it means you are ready. And let's go. I think everyone who had planned to join us already here. Good. Okay, I start from a first part about current trading plans. While I analyze the market for you, I have really one question to you. Share with me more about your experience, because for me it's so interesting what type of audience come to me, because we record a lot of videos, live streams, and share with me how long you've been in trading. Are you profitable, or maybe you lost some money, and do you have strategy? Share it. And while you share it with me, I start market analysis. Okay, how do you start market analysis? As always, we go to our beautiful trading view. My beautiful trading view is here. And let's go. I will be here from a right part. As always, we do market analysis from BTC because BTC is the most interesting, the most important coin, as you know, because significant volume on BTC will make significant move on entire market. Bitcoin, remember what I shared within our community many days ago. I shared the signal to take long at important key level 107. You can see that Bitcoin bounced before that key level. Bitcoin bounced from 108. That's a reason why we didn't take this beautiful long within our community. What about right now? At this moment, BTC exactly in the middle of a range. Honestly, it is the most awful place to take a trade because because we are exactly in the middle. Major liquidity at both sides, and it's really at this moment. Regarding BTC, we must be super careful because at this moment it's not clear who will be in control. Yesterday, BTC did such movement. Let me show it to you. based on open interest. BTC, you can see yesterday started this move with open interest. At this moment, all of this entire open interest wiped out. honestly, if there would be no live stream, I wouldn't even open BTC at this moment. Right now, I must be honest with you, I have no good plan for BTC because at this moment it's not clear what would be the direction of a move. We simply wait for something better on BTC. What's the name of indicator OE using? I can find it in the indicator list. Thank you. Where you're right. Where are you looking for it? Tell me, please. Where are you looking for it? Okay, that's about BTC. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum at this moment at crucial key resistance. It is really super important resistance. Why is this resistance matter? Because if Ethereum confirm trend breakout, it means that this area, it is a key resistance. Pay attention. Why at this moment situation on Ethereum is so important. It's so important to analyze because, friends, Ethereum was really a long period of time in this uptrend, and open interest dropping a lot, volume drop a lot, price did a lower low. What does it mean? In normal cases, that means trend change. Example for you, have last time price did trend change. What they did? They did exactly the same. They broke range and started trading out of it. That's why at this moment I wait for clear short signal at this key area. We have two key resistance zones. We have value area low of a previous range. That level is exactly at 4,243. And we have POC of a previous range, which is at 4,295. It is a major resistance for Ethereum. But at this moment, I don't have a local confirmation. Honestly, I would be very happy to take a trade if there would be some open interest absorption. That's, by the way, what I look for, and that's what I shared within our community as my plan many days ago on Ethereum. It was exactly here, this plan. Even 23rd of September, I shared idea about short after some open interest trap or volume trap. I love to take a trade when there are a structure plus local confirmation. In that case, I enjoy taking a trade. You're right. Tell me, please, where are you looking for it? Do you look at on TradingView or on Velo? Because I analyze open interest on another service. It really looks nearly the same as TradingView, but it is not TradingView. Main reason why I analyze open interest here, because open interest here way more accurate, and we have aggregated open interest. Market had changed. On TradingView, I get data only from Binance. You can see here data from Binance only. Why it is so important to analyze aggregated? Because at this moment, even look on this example, how open interest increased dramatically here when Ethereum started to drop, and how it looked like so small compared here on TradingView. On TradingView, this indicator calls open interest suit aggregated by Leviathan. But main problem, it take data only from Binance. As you know, on a crypto market, we have other exchanges such as Bybit, OKX, Derbit, Hyperliquid. Honestly, at this moment, they control more than half of entire futures market. And it is super important to analyze them also. Okay. That's why one small summary. In the case of some volume absorption around this key area, we will take short. Write plus into the chat if it's clear. Solana plan. Many days ago, I also shared this plan on Solana within community. Solana. Short in the case of VWAP retest and range creation. Solana retested VWAP. At this moment, I wait for range to be created and we will take short. Why I think so about Solana? Because Solana, you can see Solana did significant rise. Solana did significant rise. And at this moment, we have a clear structure change. Normally, when we have clear trend breakout, that breakout can go on for a while. That's a reason why at this moment I am more bearish on Solana. But you can see open interest dropping. We don't have local confirmation at this moment to take a trade. That's a reason why I wait for something beautiful on Solana. The next one, it is BNB, my BNB plan. It is a reversal pattern. Would you like me to explain to you why it is a reversal pattern? Write plus into the chat. Friends, I would like to get more activity from you because there are so many people who are here. Please, at least 20 pluses. While I wait pluses from you, I ask all of you, my friends, to follow me on my public Telegram channel because on daily basis, I share with you analysis, trading plans, and signals that will help you make money. Follow me there right now. Link will be in description. Okay, I see a lot of pluses. What about reversal pattern? How to understand that there would be a reversal if coin was in a powerful trend? There are two ways how you can do it. Two ways only. First way, in both cases, you will need open interest. First case, it is example for you like on, let's open Solana, bigger time frame. First case, it is when you see some significant coin, when coin makes significant drop, take important key level, and there are massive open interest drop with massive volume spike. In most cases, it is cascade liquidations. When you see something like this, cascade liquidations, often it is a bottom. Another example for you, it is maybe the greatest example, it was exactly here. You see massive open interest drop, super huge delta, and huge volume spike. A lot of people who bought here, waited for reversal. What happened to them? They got liquidated and sold their position exactly into a bottom. That's the first way how you can identify reversal. And second way, it is exactly opposite to it. It often happens in a case of rise, because on a crypto market, the one thing that most of you don't realize how it is so important. On a crypto market, there is no liquidation on a spot market for short. On a spot market, you can't take short position with leverage and got liquidated. You can buy on margin and got liquidated for long. But you cannot be liquidated for short. That's why there is no such impulse move up. They are really rare, and they happen only with significant open interest rise. That's why a signal for reversal in many cases will be, it is exactly like here, this trade that I took on Bitcash. It is this one. It is a trade where I made 930 USD. What was the reason why I took a trade there? There was a stable drop in volume. There was a stable drop in volume and stable drop in open interest. Exactly this part, it is open interest. Plus price created a range. Often that range high would be exactly the best place to take a short. How it looks like. For example, some coin was in a range, uptrend started, and often you will see that open interest rise with a coin. At some point, price continue rise, but open interest stays stable. And in a moment when price, for example, accelerate and start ranging, you see that open interest dropping. In most cases, it is exactly end of a cycle. After that, you will see exactly opposite move. Write plus into the chat if that's useful for you. And that's exactly how you look for reversals. That's only one reversal setup that I have. In all other cases, I do not recommend you to trade reversal setups. And you can see it was exactly range high, value area high, and after that reversed. That's why with Bitcash, my plan at this moment, open interest dropping. If volume continue dropping, for me it would be a signal that it's over, and exactly range high would be a good place for a short. I would be happy if they would take this all-time high. Of course, in some cases, there would be completely other story, because in some cases they could bounce from this swing high. I would be very happy if BNB would go up, and after that reverse. Dogecoin. We took a lot of Dogecoin trades and within our community, and that's how I will show to you another Doge open interest strategy, because open interest is so beautiful. 1 week ago, I would like to show to you. When we took beautiful trades with Dogecoin, and explain to you what was the reason behind that. AVAX. By the way, on AVAX, it was nearly the same trades as we took on Doge. Dogecoin profit, Dogecoin profit, Dogecoin profit. What was the reason why I sent quite a lot of signals on Dogecoin 2 weeks ago? Because, my friends, on Dogecoin, there was significant rise in open interest while price were in a range. Pay attention here. Pay attention how open interest rise, and what Dogecoin did, also beautiful rise. Often during the time, you simply follow the trend until you see some significant structure change. What about right now about Dogecoin? Honestly, this upcycle completely broken. In previous analysis, I shared that this significant volume node could play out as a powerful support. That's also possible, but we do not have any volume at this moment. You can see open interest drop, volume drop. That's a reason why at this moment I wouldn't trade Dogecoin. Okay, let me accelerate a little bit because I share a lot of time for analysis. Ripple, from my point of view, if Ripple lose this range, exactly this range, it would be really bad for Ripple. From my point of view, if Ripple broke below it, it could start a significant downtrend, because we have 2 times a significant volume spike on Ripple exactly at top, and if price broke below, it will go down to take one of this low volume node. That's why on Ripple, with my team, I wait at this moment for some also additional volume rise before we will take a short trade. because if price loses value, they for start would cover retest this volume node, and after that they would retest this swing low. Okay, and AVAX, few words about AVAX. Also additional example for you why we took a lot of trades on AVAX on previous week, because AVAX, it was maybe we took the most trades on AVAX, because the same as on Dogecoin, you can see here, AVAX. The same as on Dogecoin, significant rise in open interest after long accumulation lead to breakout in a price. And because of that, what's major advantage when you have significant rise in open interest? What's your idea? Share with me in the chat. Share with me in the chat your thoughts why that is so important for us. Why does it matter? There is more liquidity. No, friends, all of you share words without meaning. I need meaning. What behind that? Accumulation. Yes, accumulation important, because long range, it means that someone could accumulate the position. The most important in open interest, you know that someone big is enter the market. That's the most important. You understand that some guy, for example, put 50 mil, 100 mil into a market, and they will need to do something with that volume, because if price go into their favor, they will make money. If price go against them, they will lose money. New participants enter, yes. Okay, that's why about AVAX. What's about AVAX? I would like to take a trade on AVAX. In the case of reaching this key level 2688, I would like to take a trade on AVAX long. And the last one who I have on the list, coins that I have on the list, it is XPL at this moment. We have it is a new listing. Honestly, it's a little bit hard to trade new listing, because you don't know how market makers of a coin would make a move. But it definitely clear that coin is dropping. We have open interest rise while coin is dropping. From my point of view, there could be even bigger drop. At this moment, in the case of some absorption, let's open XPL here. XPL. It's so sad that we are not here, because here I would take a trade immediately for short. We have a beautiful coin. We definitely need to short it. But the most important question where open interest continue rising. From my point of view, it will continue dropping. But we need some absorption here. Velda, please. Yes, we will do Velda. Because at this moment, I would like to find the coins that we can take a trade immediately, right now, in this very moment. And that's a reason why at this moment I pay attention so much to open interest, because I think most of you came here to see real-time examples. I think XPL, it is the most interesting example, but it's really sad that price already broke this local range. If we would be at least here or here, we would take short right now in this very moment. Right now, it would be better to wait for some additional consolidation or pullback. Key resistance at this moment is, of course, at the anchored VWAP. At VWAP, I would definitely take short. At VWAP, I would take such short to cover all of this impulse around VWAP. At that moment, if price would reach it, VWAP would come higher, and we would take short. Dogecoin. Dogecoin, super small rise in open interest, really very small. Because of that super small, I took a mini short with the hope that there would be breakdown. Because of this open interest, as you can see, I took local short. Ripple, Aster, BNB, Hype, AVAX. So yeah, nothing special. Let's analyze coin with smaller volume, because at this moment on coins with bigger volumes, there is not so many examples. Fart coin. What I really like, it is something like this. When we have significant increase range, you have the possibility to take a trade. That's what I really like. Because I don't like when open interest drop and price ranging. In that case, I don't understand where would be the aggression. Link, nothing special. Okay, only one coin where something entered the market. It is on Dogecoin. BTC wiped out. Okay. Honestly, at this moment, XPL the most interesting one, because on XPL, let me rename it, XPL, this coin is super important, XPL. What we do at this moment, we wait for this coin to make a pullback. Additionally, we would like to we set up alerts on all other top coins to wait for key zones, also for BTC to take a key zones. And here would be my super short Dogecoin short. It is super tiny, nothing special. We just keep it. Okay, my friends, at this moment, ask questions about trading plans that I shared at this moment with you. How much do you need to see an increase in open interest, or how many contracts on BTC in order to consider it a good absorption? And what time frame do you analyze it? Thank you. My advice to you to use bigger time frames, at least 30 minutes. Honestly, I prefer to use 2 hours, 1 hour, because there are a lot of noise inside. It is about time frames, because as bigger time frame is better. Main problem with open interest on smaller time frames, there could be a lot of noise and you won't be able to make money on it. It's a first. In some cases, honestly, I love to use even bigger time frames. I would like to show to you my example on AVAX. Maybe it is the best trade of previous 2 weeks, where I analyzed open interest on 4-hour time frame. Regarding amount in coins, because contracts, it is more for the CME or other exchanges. On Binance, Bybit, it is in coins. 10,000, it is, I think that's really a lot. 10,000, it is more than billion. That's a lot. In tiny area, honestly, even from 5k coins, it is 500 mil at average price, more than 500 mil. That's really good. That's a time when you can start count it. Of course, big and good moves happens when we see something like this. 14, you can see 25k coins. And those coins lead to beautiful drop. 25 with average price 115, it is maybe around 30, around 3 billion. Here, 3 billion. Like above 500 mil, it is a time when you start calculate it. Okay. Would you like, friends, at this moment, write in the chat, would you like to see my beautiful trades that I took on AVAX on previous week, where I made significant money? And for you, it would be one of the best example of one strategy based on open interest. Because at this moment, we wait for XPL. Plus. I'm on it. Okay, my friends, it would be this one. It would be this trade. At this moment, once more, listen carefully, because I share with you a lot of real examples. I spent many years to put together all of this knowledge. That's why I ask you at this moment to push like, and let's dive into. As I told to you, for me, open interest, it is a force that push the price. Because when I see that a lot of people build positions, for me, it is always so important to see what would be price reaction on that volume. Example for you here. Example, this AVAX. Some of you asked me about time frame. You can see 12-hour time frame. 12 hours. And what I saw beautiful rise in open interest. And additionally, what's really additionally important, that before there was significant range. It is always the best to trade breakout when you have, or for example, significant drop accumulation, and here you trade breakup. In that case, it is the best. Because in what cases it would be really bad? When you see something like this, coin rise, small consolidation for 1 week, after that massive rise in open interest. In most cases, it would be a trap. It must be exactly opposite. Price drop, create a range, fake out, and after that real breakout. When I saw this consolidation, and when I saw that price, it was exactly here a moment when I took a trade. You can see slowly beautiful open interest build up. Additionally, pay attention, significant range below, massive range below. And that was exactly a moment. Let me find the trade. And that was exactly, my friends, a moment when I took that beautiful trade after local consolidation. Honestly, after that, I added additional volume. Here I made net 2,336 USD. Honestly, I did a mistake because there was news about interest rate decision, and I closed this trade. If I wouldn't do it and keep it until my entire target, it would be around 5K. That's example for you, when sometimes by doing nothing, you can make more. Instead of making 2.5, 2.3, you could make 5K. With initial risk, 500 USD. That's example for you for breakout with open interest. Write plus into the chat if you like it and would like to take such trades in the future. Yeah, I see that most of you push road plus. Friends, before we go to other example of trades, I have like 1 minute to you because at this moment I have mega news for you. It's so important for all of you to hear, and after that we will go cover other example of live trades and cover coins that we can trade right now. Most traders lose money not because lack of discipline, but because they don't have a clear system and professional support. At this moment, I have so beautiful news for you. Listen carefully, please. If you want to finally turn your trades into consistent profits, imagine having proven strategy that can help you earn from 400 to 1,000 per trade without endless guessing or chaotic searching. With signals and guidance from traders with more than 10 years of experience, you'll skip trial and error phase and start trading like a pro from day one. No more random entries, no more wasted capital, just a clear, actionable system that actually works. That's why we built a two-part experience for you. First, it is one-on-one session and scalping course that you can get at this moment completely free. Yes, completely free. I see at this moment 84 people live. We have only 20 places. That's why those of you who will fill the form, only those of you will get it. One-on-one session and scalping course. One-on-one session with a trader with trading analysis. Our trader, you will make a call with our trader who will analyze your trades and will tell you what exactly you need to do to improve your level of trading, and will show to you some secrets that you ask him personally. In most cases, face-to-face call in trading space start from 500 euro. It only start. At this moment, you have possibility to get it for free, only for 20 people. And scalping course that I recorded for you, where I share a lot of additional secrets, like today, secrets that I showed to you with open interest and other stuff that will help you to understand what to do. And for those who complete the journey, a look inside our private trading club. My friends, that's not a theory. It is a practical guidance. It is a practical tool that you can get right now to start. Ready to start, book it, and get one-on-one call. How you can do it? Below this beautiful live session, before this beautiful live session, you open a first link. That would be exactly this one. That would be such beautiful link. Let me send it to you. As I told you, only 20 people. Only 20 people. How to fill it? First, write about you. It is only a few questions. For example, what largest loss you have experienced in trading? I am profitable but want to scale. Build a system, grow capital. And after that, write your name in email. And my team will call, my trader will call to you and will help you build a professional strategy. That's why fill this form right now because only 20 places. Because remember, one-to-one calls, it's difficult to take them because they take time. Okay, let me send link to you, and let's go to what we can do right now, because what we can do right now. I sent to you this link into a chat, and let me pin it. Oh, good. Let's go to our trading platform, and let's discuss what we can do. I still keep this beautiful Dogecoin. I keep this Dogecoin because you can see this open interest pushed it down, and I hope it will go down to take all of these key levels where a lot of people hide their stop losses. That's my dream at this moment for Dogecoin. Bum, 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 bum. But Biko, would you say even if open interest is rising at resistance, it could be a long opening and absorption of buyers by big short position? Yes, that's possible. That's why it's so important to see, as I told you, to see what happened before. There must be a long accumulation. There must be price slowly squeeze. Open interest must build up slowly. Because example for you of an opposite situation. It was a Dogecoin trade that I gave. It was also Dogecoin trade that I gave in our community several weeks ago. I would like to show it. When exactly absorption happened, and we traded Dogecoin for short. You can see here, it was this plan that I shared within our community. You can see 24th of August. What happened? Open interest, price reach local range high, value area high. And after that, price exactly did drop because it is even better to analyze here. It was exactly here. You can see that open interest, most of open interest entered. You always must pay attention where most of open interest entered and what is a price reaction. If you can see that price, for example, create a range high, and you can see impulse and most of open interest build up at high and structure immediately become bearish. In that case, no, I wouldn't take long there. After that, you can use that open interest as a resistance, especially after impulse. Best breakouts always happens after a coin. You can see coin rise slowly. Coin must rise slowly. And coin must rise slowly, and there is no lower low. Pay attention, there is no lower low. Only here we had local lower low. After that, structure only up. That's major difference. Honestly, with open interest, that's the hardest part to distinguish between trap and breakout. That's the hardest part. And those who will learn it will make money on it. Now I see you're on Tiger, but what do you think about Tatas? My dear, I recorded a beautiful video lesson. I recorded beautiful video lesson several days ago about Tiger. Atas versus Tiger trade. That's a reason why I advise all of you to follow me on Telegram, where I I explained to you in what cases I use which platform. I use ATAS for scalping indexes because ATAS I think is the best for indexes. For crypto, I think Tiger better. I use both of them. You can see I have both of them. Is it premium that well aggregated? Yeah, no, that's for free. Okay, that's my Dogecoin trade. Tell me what coin at this moment for you to analyze and support me with your like, please. Some of you asked me about WorldCoin. Let me cover a few words about WorldCoin. Why at this moment I don't take any trades on WorldCoin? Because on WorldCoin we have a drop in volume and open interest. On the crypto market, I trade coins only when there some significant volume. What was the reason why WorldCoin was beautiful? You can see before breakout, pay attention to this massive rise in open interest. Massive. And you can see that until open interest rise, volume were increased. Coin did beautiful pump. At this moment, open interest drop, volume drop, and coin slowly go down. I do not like to trade such coins because they you don't know how far they can go down, because I don't like such coins simply. About WorldCoin, let's cover it from futures. About futures, at this moment it came back into value. At this moment everything looks like it will go down to cover all of this pump. From my point of view, it's possible even to reach 92 or to take low of 83. Price must stabilize, for example, drop and create a range. Only that would be a signal that finally, like this one, create a range. Only that would be a signal that finally some buyers step in. Without it, I don't like to trade this coin. About spot, it's possible to start buying only if they take this low, below around 0.50. It's only a prices where you can buy it on the spot market. How I open long on Sol? Can I discuss it, bro? Why would you take long on Sol? Why would you take long on Sol? Bam, bam, bam. Gala, please. Ada, please. I'm short. What is your entry price? Friends, if you would like me to analyze some coin, please write what is your entry price, and we will analyze it together. My Dogecoin go on. At this moment, we have 143 USD of profit. What's going on with other top coins? I would be so happy to take short on Ethereum here. Bum, 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 bum. Crop, please. Yes, we will cover it. A few minutes, my friends. 5 minutes. Let's do 30 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful. You're so beautiful, even with a manicure. You're so beautiful. Honestly, it's really sad that this coin did significant drop. Maybe it would be the best coin at this moment for a short. I can bet that within a few days you will see it maybe here at 0.40 or even lower. In most cases, most coins at this moment, they do scam pump, and after the drop, a lot. But it would be the best for a short if there would be some local pullback, and after that short, because at this moment price far from view up. Price far from view up. Do you always watch Bitcoin when scalping altcoins? I think that's a tricky question that you ask. Why? Because it is definitely important, because on the crypto market, there are periods of a big correlation to Bitcoin and small correlation to Bitcoin. During periods of big correlation, you 100% should, I would say even better, must analyze what's going on with BTC, because if there would be some long setup on altcoin with 90% chance, if Bitcoin drops, it would follow BTC. But there are periods when there are small correlation to BTC. In those cases, you can trade altcoins separately. In what case, how to identify those periods? How many of you would like to know? Write plus into a chat and push like to the stream. Let's do additional 10 likes to the stream and 10 pluses in the chat, and I will show to you. I will show to you. Cool. Okay. Okay. Friends, at this moment, you took so many secrets from me. Okay. When you see here that Bitcoin dominance dropping, especially on a bigger time frame and steadily for some period of time, plus if during that period of time volatility on BTC drops, in most cases altcoins would do their own moves. That's a reason why we had during the last 3 months significant rise on Ethereum. We had Solana move, we had BNB beautiful move, Dogecoin move. Like most of these coins, they did significant move, but BTC volatility was maybe the smallest compared to many other months. You have two stuff together. You see that volatility dropped and dominance dropping. During the time, altcoins would do whatever they wish, and for you would be like most of your time you will need to analyze altcoins. And during those time, what my advice to you, you use Velo, and on Velo, what's beauty of Velo? Here you can use special filters. Let me do here. Here you can use special filters where you can see that some coins moving. For example, at this moment I have filter 24-hour volume more than 500 mil and open interest more than 200 mil. And at this moment, as you can see, I can see coins. I can see coins where biggest change in open interest. I can see 1 hour trades, coins where biggest hour trades. And you simply have list of coins which is at this moment have biggest amount of volume. And in most cases, those coins would do the biggest blow. On Dogecoin, we have a beautiful 4,200. Will this limit be broken or not? Your thoughts? I would be so happy to see that this limit order broken and coin just pew skittish. When you see that Bitcoin dominance rising and volatility on BTC is significant, in most cases, altcoins would follow BTC structure. In those cases, it is way better to take trades into BTC direction, because without it, chances that it will succeed would be super small. Okay, we have at this moment 156 USD of profit on our Dogecoin short. Beautiful limit order. I would be happy to see a breakout of that volume and significant drop on Dogecoin. Let me analyze coins that you asked me. You're right. You asked quite a lot about NEAR. Let me. My entry was 248 on NEAR. Even here, pay attention. This rise in open interest, as you can see, it happened with impulse. Price reached range high and poof. Once more, 248. What was your entry, short or long? You're right. Because for long, here it is awful place. For long, good place, at least if price takes the swing low, and there would be some absorption. It's good place. Or other good place is only here in the case of low take. Okay, key zone at this moment for NEAR, it is around this high volume node. We can have it here. And those swing lows, I would mention this key area as a key support at this moment for this beautiful coin. It is here, and of course this swing low. It is a key areas where it's definitely would be awesome to take some trades, because you can see here why important to walk around range high, range low. You can see how here they played out as a perfect support resistance. You have long at 248. Did you take it here at 7th of September? With big chances they will go after you, because at this moment everything looks like they will go down to take this key zone 227. Honestly, if you had long from this area and you didn't close it here, it's maybe the biggest mistake that you did. Five 010. Friends, I do not analyze coins at this moment for a spot. I analyze only for futures, because logic, spot, and futures is different. On futures, you must take trade with clear entry. with clear entry, clear place for stop loss. On a spot, sometimes drawdown 10-20% is not a big deal. By the way, example for you, maybe the best example of open interest breakout. Coin did drop, took range low, and have a look how open interest started to build up and what they did. Beautiful breakout. As I told you, best breakout always after drop and range. In those cases, risk to reward ratio could be just huge. About ADA, same as many other coins, you can see ADA failed to break this range. At this moment, from my point of view, ADA should go down and take at least this local key level in order to use it as a key support. Right now, for me, it would be no surprise if ADA would go down to take this key level. Only here I would look for some long trade. Yes, I was in a hospital and couldn't do much to close. It's really sad, you're right, because there was significant volume spike. And when you have significant volume spike, you must think because if that volume was with big chance there will be massive reversal. I would say one thing. When I see is Dogecoin still valid for entry? Yeah, you can take it but your stop loss must be as mine. If you take it right now, your stop loss should be as my stop loss. You can see my stop loss at 23.22. My original stop loss was here to 235. It was my original stop loss. At this moment, I moved it to this local high because they push it with open interest, and if they really push, they will go down to take the key levels. Because if not, this idea would fail. Of course, it would be better to take trade at least at that open interest, but what do you trade more? Stocks, crypto, forex, and why? I trade only two markets: crypto and indexes. That's it. I don't like to trade a lot of instruments. Even on the crypto market, I analyze coins only with 1 bill volume. I don't go coins with smaller volume. Main reason because I have strategies for those markets. Honestly, I don't have a strategy for forex, for gold, and I understand that to build good strategy for forex and gold, it will take several years to trade it, to backtest it, to trade it on real money, and I have zero desire. I have absorption strategy on crypto. I have breakout strategy on crypto. For me, and I have reversal, but they really rare. Sometimes it happens maybe once per maybe once per month, sometimes once per several months. Such setup could appear. At this moment, that volume were broken. Remember here we had buy limit 3.5 mil. Most of that volume was spoofing. It's really sad that we don't have impulse after this volume, because if there would be impulse, that we don't have impulse after this volume, because if there would be impulse, it would be really good. It would be a signal for cascade, potential cascade liquidation. My friend, you always work to become better, because my risk per position, like 200, 250, it's not the biggest amount of money. Of course, I would like to trade way bigger sizes. Honestly, you focusing only on one thing, it is to raise position size. That's the most important stuff. What do you think about XRP? As I mentioned before, on XRP, it's really interesting what's going on XRP, because we had significant absorption several times. You can see here significant open interest absorption into range high. Once more, some of you asked me how to identify absorption. You can see again impulse, and most of open interest entered into high. That's not good for breakout. After that, another open interest build up. What happened to Ripple? Beautiful drop. Here again, open interest build up. Again, it accelerated into high. Again, build up. Again, entered with drop. For me, it's just interesting why so many times at high we have a significant absorption on Ripple. Will those buyers push it down? That's really the most important question for me. Because once more on Ripple, what's once more additional example for you why important to analyze open interest. Pay attention. Open interest, beautiful pump. Even here, open interest, significant pump. Because this coin did significant pump, and for me, it looks like this rise, it is a deviation, and we should go down to take this range low. It's my feeling. How do you know that coins will have volume? I don't need to guess. I have this stuff from right side where I can see volume. When coin reach bare minimum 1 bill, it appear on my list. That's it. Would you say if price is climbing and open interest too, but delta is negative, that means there is divergence and price will fall? Also in scalping, would you say OE is more for swing and I should use DOM level too? DOM levels for crypto market is not important anymore. I personally traded a lot of DOM levels before. Good trading. Our English channel. I have beautiful lessons. A lesson with icebergs. Icebergs. Here you can see DOM and footprint tutorials. Here example for you of a video that I published 3 years ago. Several years ago, what was a beautiful stuff with the crypto market, that most of these orders, they were real, and you really could make a significant trade based on them. You can see here it was iceberg. It's really massive volume. I took a trade here. Price did rise 2 times, 3% from it. After that, price broke it and dropped 25% from it. Exactly retested this area. Of course, beautiful. Yes, amazing stuff. Main problem? What's the main problem, my friends? Guess what's the main problem? Spoofing. Yes, and there are far more important problem. Wall Street, no, fake orders. Edge is no longer there. Yes, my friend, you're 100% right. Those orders, they do not appear anymore. I remember many situations when I took trades on the crypto market. I saw major volume. I took a trade from that major volume, made really beautiful profit. I would like to show it to you while we look on our Dogecoin. Let me show to you 2 beautiful examples of a trades. Both of them were on Ethereum. Before I show to you those beautiful orders, remind you, my friends, that at this moment you have unique opportunity to get access to our one-on-one session, plus access to our scalping course with me. We have only 20 places that you can get. Scalping course free, one-on-one session free. You simply fill super short form here. It's mega short. After that, write your name, phone number, email, and my team will give you access, because you can see that those strategies, what's main importance of those strategies, that they require a lot of experience, because there's some in some cases you use it, in some cases you don't use it, and we will help you. We will show to you our secrets. Simply, link is in description, fill the form. Once more, I sent that link into chat. You can use it. As I told you, one more example. On it was exactly this example when I used significant volume on Ethereum. You can see here. There was on the futures market significant volume absorption, 15K coins on the futures. Also, there was significant volume on the spot, but I didn't add a screenshot. Additionally, you can see that price broke a significant range. We had significant volume node here. And after that, you can see we retested this range high. And here was that absorption, plus trend was up. And what happened after that with the price? Just amazing 7% rise within several hours. I made only 2.3% with net profit 1,154. Honestly, if I would have my current experience, I would keep the trade way more because it was into trend direction and it was after significant range. I would definitely keep it longer right now, but that trade was some period of time. And another example for you, let me show to you another example. It is another beautiful example. I made here nearly 777. What was also a reason here, beautiful volume. You can see, whoa, significant volume absorption. Main problem that at this moment we don't have something like that. That's the reason why at this moment I focus my strategy on open interest, because it's so rare to see some significant volumes that really make a move. It's really, really rare. Okay, let's come back to our coins. What we have at this moment, we have Dogecoin ranging, BTC. BTC volume dropped. Honestly, right now, for me, it is the most hardest part on BTC because there is no volume. For me, it's not clear what would be the direction of a move. Hype, XPL, AVAX, SUI, Doge. I don't like its behavior. I would like to move my stop loss closer. Honestly, in some cases, there are way better periods for scalping than this one. Nearly on each coin, open interest dropped. Only this one, XPL, interesting, honestly. But we need it to retest to view up to take short. Bam, 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 bam. This is also interesting coin. It was a new listing. It also often new listings they create the range and after that make significant drop. If price lose those levels with rise of open interest, it would be possible to take short for continuation. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, can someone be effective with a free version of Tiger instead of paid one? For crypto market, the Tiger is free. For crypto market, Tiger is free. But if volume orders rarely make a move, how can you scalp crypto? Once more, I told you many times, you do it with open interest, because at this moment they don't use tools which they used before, like significant orders. They use bots to build position, bots to get out from positions. That's why for me, way more important at this moment, open interest, because significant order you can hide. Many of them use special bots that build position and close position. But if you already build position, you cannot hide it because open interest will show it. That's why open interest at this moment for me is way more interesting compared to other tools. How can you scalp? Let me show to you a few examples. How can you scalp? Here, beautiful open interest build up on Dogecoin with volume increase and beautiful bullish structure. That's when you scalp it. You go when you follow a trend. I agree with you that on smaller time frame, like 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, it's difficult. But I would like to show you a few examples how I traded before. I would like to show you because I recorded quite a lot of videos. Thanks God I create content, and because of that I record video lessons to show to people how to take trades. Here example for you, how you could trade crypto not so many days before. You could see significant order on a spot market. Like at this moment in front of your eyes, it is depth of market on spot and futures. You could see significant order. You simply take trade at that significant order and you follow the trend. That's it. It was really so easy to take trades before. But at this moment, you in most cases, you won't see such beauty anymore. That was a period when you could scalp on 1 minute time frame, 10-minute time frame. Yes, it was that period, but it is gone, and you need to do with what you can. What's your opinion on BTC in the next 3 months? In the next 3 months, I think bull market is over, and we will face sooner or later we will face trend shift on BTC and start of downward trend. That's what I think about BTC. Okay. BTC open interest dropped. There's nothing beautiful right now. On Solana, small volume enter. Let's see what would be the reaction. Dogecoin, this open interest can continue to build up, but you can see that the price, as I told you, I waited for some acceleration. It didn't happen. That's the reason why I moved my stop loss. Honestly, it would be better to keep it here, but better to keep it here still, to have 54. Why do you use that website instead of TradingView? Because on TradingView you don't have aggregated open interest. On TradingView it's different. That's example for you. What scalping was before, or this one. You see significant order. Price broke that order. You can see here, I took a trade because here was significant order, closed part of it, but price broke it. Like it was really very easier to trade with such stuff, but this stuff doesn't work anymore. I remember when I took a BTC trade with 0.002% stop loss. It was maybe the greatest trade ever that I did. Here you can see 300K. But they started to that's example for you, and sometimes big orders didn't help. They broke it in the end. I have many video lessons when I recorded the examples of how significant volume played out. It was really beautiful stuff. Yes, yes. Because it doesn't work anymore. Footprint charts, they does not work anymore. It's possible to use them, but it's not worth a time that you spend for it. Honestly, results with open interest way better. BTC, my friends, rising. It's really sad that this open interest, you can see, started to build up aggressively at night. And the reaction on this open interest was beautiful decline, you can see. We should pay attention. Maybe this area also could play out as a key resistance if price retested. It's really sad that we started this live and open interest dropped. Honestly, once more, only this XPL would be really interesting in the case of retest to VWAP. Dogecoin also, but I keep it. Why do we use TradingView? Because on TradingView, it way. Honestly, it's so sad that all of these instruments they have different positive sides. First, on TradingView, it is very beautiful volume profile. Additional reason, it is anchored VWAP. On TradingView, on anchored VWAP, you have additional deviations. Deviations super important to use. They really matter. That's regarding. Additionally, you have alerts. That's why, honestly, I would be way happier if that aggregated open interest. If that aggregated open interest would be on TradingView. In that case, I wouldn't use that Valo, honestly. But Valo get way better data. One more scalp trade today. Alex, I wish we would do it, but at this moment we have only local rise of open interest on Dogecoin. That's the reason why I have it. About any other coins, there is nothing special at this moment. They are in the middle of a range. This open interest build up on Solana, but Solana also in the middle. That's why I don't have good idea at this moment. Seems you have given up ATAS. I work with ATAS once more. I trade other instruments on ATAS. Philip, I'm really thankful that you that you ask such questions, but I'm order flow trader. My major goal is to take beautiful trade with clear stop loss, take profit. About 2 months, it is a questions. It's that question isn't for me. What's your opinion on Max, the platform that has a lot of fees, futures trading altcoins like ADA? Remember, if crypto exchange does not charge you fees, it means they make money by when you blow out your account. Because of that, you will have problems if you make money with withdrawal, slippage, and all other stuff. I've been working for a broker company nearly a year as a retention manager. It was maybe 6 years ago. And I understand that broker must make money with you. In that case, everything would be good. You would be happy. They would care about you. They would praise that everything is good with your health. If they do not make money, you will, in the end, you will lose even more. That's it. That's a reason, by the way, why we use this crypto exchange. And I advise for all of you to use crypto exchange that I personally use. It is sign up on Bybit and get up to 500 USD bonus. All of you can get to 500 USD bonus by opening account on our partner exchange Bybit. You can go down and read all the information here on position airdrop. I think it is the best start to start with already money on your account. That's why my advice to use it. Additionally, a reason why I use Bybit, because you can connect it to Tiger Trade. In connections, you can see you can connect it to Binance, Bybit, OKX. You can connect it to Max. Plus service statistic service that I use, you cannot connect it to Max. Like the reasons connections, and I never saw a problem with Bybit that they block accounts, that they did slippage or something like that. In all cases, they did really good job. Because once more, if exchange does not make money with you, they will make it in the end. But for you, in some cases, it's easy to blow out account than pay fee to them. Atas freeze too much on crypto. That's a reason why for crypto use Tiger. Interesting to join your course and community, but cost too high. Once more, at this moment, you have a unique opportunity to get a one-on-one call and our scalping course in description. They exactly this link, first link. You answer to 4 simple questions and get access to our scalping course and one-on-one call with my team. Do it right now, simply. Do you think holding spot portfolio on exchange is okay? And where do you prefer to keep your spot portfolio? It depends what's your size, man. If you below 10K, you believe me, no one care about you. If you have really large amount of money, buy ledgers. I have ledger. I keep part of my money on ledger and keep part of my money on exchanges. I think on a ledger I have maybe 30%. All other of my money is on exchanges. Okay, Dogecoin ranging. Really sad that there is no significant volatility, my friends. Bam, bam, bam. Once more, at this moment, there could be something interesting on Solana because we need to see what would be the reaction on this volume. You can see volume started to build up, but it's not a lot. It's only, I would say, 2.4%. We need bigger. We need something bigger. As you can see here, example for you, what could make a significant move? It is everything above, like here, 10%. That's really matter. If you see 10%, that's significant. In that case, really, we should take some important trade. Friends, once more about ATAS and Tiger Trade, go to my public Telegram channel. Go to my public Telegram channel. I recorded beautiful video for you. ATAS, Tiger Trade. Watch, please. Few minutes. It is only a 5 or 6 minute video, and you will have all your answers. Friends, once more summary to you. At this moment, I have only this Dogecoin trade because you can see volatility is small. I see at this moment there is no reason to spend more time here. I hope next time we will choose a better day when there would be better volatility. Remember that on daily basis we share trading plans within community, and when volatility is high, we take more trades with our community. I hope all of you saw many examples with open interest and will use them in the future. Because I think at this moment, using open interest is the best way to make money on the crypto market. I wish you a lot of profits. Have a good day.